Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Marshall's. Just checking to see what Christmas items they put out recently. So they have these Merry and Bright baskets right here. Okay. They have some Christmas towels, dish towels. And I think you get a set of 4. Let's see what the price. By Nicole Miller, these are $9.99. They have this Reef right here. You can see that. I may not show all the prices on these because a lot of things are bunched up. We wish you a Merry Christmas. The Cynthia tablecloths right here. I think I showed you those before. These nutcrackers. Let's see. This little gnome right here, ceramic gnome, says Merry Christmas. $12.99. So you get 3 dish towels, Be Merry, and 2 red ones, $7.99. A set of 4 napkins by Ralph Lauren, $9.99. Really pretty. And as you can see, they have a lot of items on this little table right here in the middle of the store. They have those placemats right there. You get a set of 4 in gold. Here's a little vintage gnome right here for $9.99. Reindeer sleigh rides. Don't see a price on that. Alright, so on this end cap right here, they have a lot of nice throws here, Christmas throws. This one is really pretty. Look at this one. This is by Tommy Hilfiger. Very pretty. $16.99. And there's another one right there with the Christmas trees. They have these pillows right here. You get a set of 2 pillows. I'm not sure the price of those, but those are really nice. The gnome, $9.99. This is a little cute plaque. I'll be gnome for Christmas. $5.99. Look at these right here. Some little Christmas tree candles. $5.99. You get a set of 4. This little decor right here, this little Christmas tree by Martha Stewart. Another gnome, $7.99. Here's some more of the Tommy Hilfiger throws down there. This green truck. Here's another one of those set of candles right here, the Christmas trees in white. They have this apple buttercream candle by DW Home. I bet that smells amazing. Let me see. Oh my God, that smells really good. And it is going for $7.99. And as you can see, they have those Santa pillows back there. That ho-ho pillow right there says it's $16.99. More pillows. So let's take a look back here. Some stockings they have, $12.99. All of these stockings are $12.99. Very pretty. Very nice. Let's see. Here is a snowman one right here. Let's see what the cost of it is. $14.99. There's another one right there. Here's a little gnome one for $14.99. And that little penguin one back there, very cute. All right, so they have some tree skirts and some table runners. Let me move this here for a minute. They have that table runner. Let me put this right here for a minute. I don't think it's supposed to be here, but I'll put it back. This pretty red table runner right here is $14.99. This one is really pretty. It looks like the placemats up there, but it's in gold. $7.99. This red one right here. Here's another one right here. Very pretty table runners. And this one right here, very nice. Here's a little plaque right here. 'Tis a season to be merry with Mickey on the front. $7.99. I'll put this right here. Here's another table runner by Cynthia $19.99. That's very pretty. Look at this one, guys, with the poinsettia flowers. Cynthia $24.99. And here's a white one right here. Rachel Zoe, very pretty. Okay. There's another one, Aspen, $12.99. And I wanted to look at these kitchen towels here. Blessed by Rae Dunn. This set right here, you get a set of 2, and they are $6.99. Thyme and Sage, you get 3, $7.99. How cute are these right here? Christmas, ho-ho, holidays, you get a set of 3, $9.99. I'm having a meltdown. How cute. And this is the one in the back. This is a set of 2 for $6.99. Real pretty kitchen towels, guys. If you're wanting to spruce your home up, look at this one right here. You get a set of 3 kitchen towels for $9.99. Here's one by Nicole Miller, a set of 2, $6.99. They have a lot of them. Rae Dunn, set of 2, Merry Christmas. And the other one says, 'Tis the Season, $6.99. Very nice. All right, so here's some Rae Dunn little plant holders right here for $7.99, or whatever you want to use those for. But it says fa la 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 on the front. Here's a Merry and Bright container. Looked like someone broke it. It looks like maybe a coffee mug. $7.99. Merry and Bright. Very nice. This has Santa on the front. It says always be jolly in the cup. $3.99. Here's a little mug right here. Nice. And here's some more kitchen towel sets right here. You get a set of 2. Look at the gingerbread one. It's by Martha Stewart. Let's see what the other one looks like. Actually, you get 3 of these right here. And these are going for $9.99. Here's a cute Gnomes. You get a set of 2. I like these ones right here. I like the fabric of it. By Ladine or Ladine, $6.99. Very nice. And guys, I'm going to turn around here and let you see all of these pillows here and the skirts. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful the pillows are. I'm definitely not going to go over the prices with you, but they have a 3 set of Rae Dunn pillows up there. It says fa la la. I see a lot of prices. They range $19.99. Happy Holidays, $19.99. 2 set right here. Calvin Klein. I love these big red Calvin Klein pillows. These ones right here, you get a set. Mostly all of these are sets, so that's a great deal. You get 2 pillows, $34.99, DKNY. Here's some green ones right here, DKNY. And look at those throws up there, those blankets up there in green. Those are really nice. A lot of throws, $19.99. Rae Dunn with the little dogs and cats. Guys, a lot of people are saying that they don't have a lot of things in their area. So if you have a Marshall's in your area, I would advise you to go there. Dollar Tree is very slow. They're behind on getting a lot of things in, from what I was told. So if you can't find anything, guys, Marshall's is very inexpensive. You know, you can always search around and see what they have, but don't stop. Go ahead and pick up your items now because they have a shortage going on. This Reef right here, $12.99. Look how pretty this one is. And I see a gold Reef back there. Let me move this out of the way so I can let you guys see this. If I can get it. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so look at this Reef right here. Isn't it pretty? And you can put like little red berries and things of that nature in. This is by 34th and Pine. $29.99 for that. Very pretty. Let's turn around here. Some more pillows. You get a set of 2 of these. Pretty colors. Has a snowman on the front for $24.99. A lot of red and white pillows down there. Look how pretty these are, guys. Oh my goodness, these are really pretty. Let's see, I'm trying to find a price of these. $19.99. That's not bad at all. Look how beautiful those are. Then they have the green ones here. These red ones. Real pretty, guys. Let's see. Here's a basket right here. I show you the one that says Merry and Bright, but this one says Cheer by Ray Dunn, $12.99. Here is a Christmas tumbler right here. Stainless steel. The little nutcracker guy. The red truck. Here's some more little small tumblers right here. Ray Dunn, ho ho ho. And I see one more back here says Merry. Very nice. This one says Farm Fresh Christmas trees. And here's some more of the baskets right here. Ray Dunn. All right, so on this end cap, look at all of the pretty pillows right here. This one right here with the snowflakes. Not sure the price. They have a lot of nutcrackers here. Different prices. Look at the gnome pillow right here. Cute. Let's see, he's $19.99. They have this Reef right here. This Decor right here that says, what does that say? Merry Christmas. And as you can see up at the top up there, they have a lot of Reeves up there. Very pretty Reeves. But yeah, guys, just wanted to pop into Marshall's and see what they had to offer today. Let's see. I'm going to go back here with the throws. First of all, let's stop here. Here's some two-piece hand towels right here, $9.99. Very pretty. These ones right here. This one is going for $9.99. There's a peanut gang right there. Let me move this to the side here. You get a set of 2 of these. These pretty ones right here. A set of 2. Let's see, Disney with Mickey and Minnie, $12.99. Really pretty. Peanut gang. And on this end cap right here, more Christmas pillows. Here's one with a camper. Let's see. $16.99. And all of these are sets of 2, if you can see those. This is by April Carnell, $24.99. Merry and Bright. Believe in the Magic of Christmas. Look at this one right here with the camper. Home for the holidays. Just going to put that back. It's actually going for the price. $19.99 for that. Merry Christmas. And let's see, here's some black and white ones down here. Let's see. It's the most wonderful time of the year. You get two of those. I'm gonna put this back. All right, guys, and we can't forget our little fur babies here. They have the little jackets and the little coats here for Christmas. You see those? This is a cute one right here. Very cute. And let's take a look at this one back here with the little reindeer ears. How cute is that? Very cute. And of course, they have a lot of dog beds, things of that nature. They did have a clearance section back here, but I guess they moved it. Here's some little dog toys right here. Ho, ho, ho. A little red fox. A little reindeer. Cute. Some of the little, I think these are dinosaurs. Santa's Pet Shop. Christmas brew. Here's a red dinosaur with a Christmas hat on. Here's a little holidays hat for the pup. This little octopus right here for $12.99. All right, guys, so I just wanted to pop into Marshall's to see what they had. I always come up here at the front. I didn't buy anything today, but I just wanted to come up here through the register and let you guys see some things because I know they have a lot of things up here. This little hat and sock set right here by Capelli. How cute is that right there? So you get the little booties. You get the little booty bottom and the hat. $12.99. Get the little tutu 3-piece set, the tutu, the socks, and the hat. Let's see, rattle booties, you get 2 pair of these. Look at those, Santa and a little reindeer, very cute. But yeah guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. You see they have a lot of Halloween bags still available in fall. I like this one right here for $5.99. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.